Alright, what's good, bruv? Welcome to another video. Just going to be doing a weekly forecast essentially, and going to be basically analyzing the market, and you guys can see like what's going on in my mind, so you can basically improve. And eye training, So let's start on the Nasdaq. I always start off on the monthly. I don't know why. I just like to see, just in case there's any like fair value gaps, any retests, anything like that. Usually I don't see anything, but sometimes when you for example, cases like these, right, when you can just see like a nice turtle soup, tap into a fair value gap, tap into structure, kind of these, like those type of things. But yeah, usually there's just nothing like this. You can't really see anything. So going down to the weekly is actually very good, surprisingly. But yeah, so look at this. So we have structure right here on the left. Why is it structure? Because there's two down close candles that form down, and then price breaks past it, it displaces through it, because look at this fair value gap left literally whilst it's breaking it. So that's some sort of structure, right? So we can mark it out with our rectangle box. And then what else do we see? On the weekly we see that this is a planted low, a significant low, because it came down and then it shot straight back up. So what we can do here is we can mark it out, and then we can see that current price with last week's candle, what did it do? Taken it out, induced it basically, because look, it wicked it, came up, it reacted off of it, and it reacted off of our level. So most likely this week probably looking for buys, but we'll see. Let's look on the daily. So on the daily we can see, let me just refine this inducement level. So we can see that it has actually reacted off of it. It came down, the daily swept it, reacted off of it, and now it's turning bullish. Right now, I wouldn't want to say we're fully like bullish yet, but I'd probably be looking for buys maybe for Monday, Tuesday, and then the rest it will probably be sells, because look at overall market structure currently. It's kind of bearish, isn't it? But yeah, we'll see. And then going down to the 4 hour, what can we see? Can't really see much, but there's another little inducement here. I should probably go to the 4 hour. I mean the 1 hour. So yeah, we can see this nice inducement happening again. I'm not going to mark it out, but yeah, we can see another inducement happen, and then we can see prices shifting structure to the upside. It's respecting this zone which it broke, so it broke it with this big candle, and now it retested it, respected it, and now we're going higher. And yeah, we're just gonna have to see, to be honest, what happens on NY. So it could possibly carry on buying, or if price decides to, it could actually just start to sell off, because remember, we actually did displace to the downside here on the 4 hour. So displacement always shows that we're bearish, right? But remember, higher time frame always holds more context. So at the moment we're not really sure, but most likely buys. I'll be looking to buy Monday, Tuesday, and then on Wednesday, where reversals usually happen, sells. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the Nasdaq. Let me check out US 30. US 30 been looking hella choppy recently. Anyway, on the monthly, what can we see? Not too much, to be honest. Weekly, so we actually got nice displacement to the upside. Okay, that's very nice. So looking quite bullish so far. And then what can we see has happened? We've actually inversed this fair value gap right here. To be honest, it doesn't really hold that much weight. Like, we're just gonna have to see. Let me go down to the daily. So on the weekly we displaced here. Okay, and then on the daily we have actually also displaced to the downside right here. So this is a more recent displacement, so this is why I would trust this one more. When this is displaced, I'll trust that one way more. So I'm just going to delete that weekly displacement. It also just shows lack of structure. So yeah, so we displaced to the downside, and then what did we do? We created this structure, remember, right here, and then we broken past it with displacement, and then it comes down, taps back into it, as you can see, respects it, okay, and it rejects fully down. Okay, so this shows really nice bearish movement. Okay, so to be honest, for this week, I think the draw is literally here. I'm going to be looking to sell until it reaches here, which would probably be what, Monday, Tuesday, somewhere around there, and then the rest I'll be looking to buy. So yeah, let me check the 4 hour. So on the 4 hour, so it tapped into it, displaced to the downside, very nice displacement. So this could have easily gotten swept, but no, it got displaced because of this fair value gap. and then it came retests this level, probably on the hourly. Yeah, retests this level on the hourly. Okay, very nice. And then now it's rejecting off of it, and then now coming down to coming to the downside. Now, if you guys haven't seen my TikTok, watch the draw on liquidity video. It explains it very nicely. Or I think I also did on YouTube. So yeah, these two are probably the draws that I'm looking to sell to on Monday and Tuesday, and then Wednesday, Thursday, Friday probably buys most likely. But yeah, we'll see. So just a quick breakdown again. So we displaced to the downside, okay, and then we came back into our level, respected it. So looking for sells. Now let me see what type of, I'll check after, but I don't think there's much news this week. In fact, let me just check real quick. Forex Factory. I use Forex Factory, guys. I think it's the best one. It's just the cleanest. So okay. So Monday there's no news. I mean, I kind of like when there's no news because it's just much easier to trade. And then Tuesday we got PPI 130. That's okay because I can just wait until after and trade 230. And then Wednesday we have, there's a lot of red folders, but they're not USD. Oh yeah, there's unemployment claims at 130 for Wednesday. That's okay again. Oh, there's also tentative at 245. Red folder. So I don't think Wednesday's going to be a trading day, to be honest. And Thursday, no news. Oh, Thursday's actually bank holiday. So Wednesday, Thursday, probably not going to be a trading day, most likely. Friday's a trading day because it's chill. Alright guys, hopefully we can actually bag some. Yeah, anyways, on to German 30. I don't think you guys could see my screen, could you? You can only see the trading view. Oh well. Anyways, so on the monthly, yeah, on the German 30. So whoa, what's going on? So we got a lot of chop. To be honest, I don't think I'll be trading German 30 if it's looking like this. Like, that's just crazy. But anyway, let's just go ahead and analyze it. Why not? So we can see this fair value gap, right? That's quite obvious. It's a very nice fair value gap tapped into. We're gonna mark it out. It's reacting off of it so far. And yeah, we can also see that there was this low with liquidity beneath, which has been taken out or induced. So that's very nice to know. And now price is also reacting off of it on the weekly. So yeah, and also by the way, bear in mind we didn't displace through anything yet, so you can't say we're bearish yet. So most likely bullish, but still I'm not trading this chop, no way. So let's go on to the daily. On the daily, what the hell? I don't think anything's happening too much on the daily. It's just going up. Let's see on the 4 hour. Yeah, on the 4 hour, it's just kind of disrespecting this zone because, you know, this bullish engulfing broke past it. Let me put the heating back on. So yeah, not much is happening on there. On the hourly, it's just breaking structure to the upside. Not like displacing to the upside. It's just breaking structure. Just shows low volume, and it's just not very nice. Like, because if I wanted it to be bullish, it would have to be going nice and impulsively, you know. It can't be going slowly. So yeah, German 30. It's not a pair that I'll be trading this week. Probably not in the next month until December maybe. But yeah, US 30 looks decent for shorts. Looks decent to be honest, and the NAS looks decent as well for longs. And yeah, guys, that wraps up the video. Hopefully this forecast helps you, and you know it'll be a good eye trainer for you guys. And yeah, let me know in the comments any video ideas, any you know, ideas in general, any, you know, improvements that I can make. And yeah, guys, I'll see you.